Here's a quick tutorial on how to give someone access to your ads account. There's a few ways to do it. I just like giving them access to your business manager. I think it's a little bit cleaner of a way to do it. And the other reason why I like this is because sometimes when you just give them access to the ads account, then when they run ads for you, it will say this ad is made by Derek Videll, like under the ad. So it's just better to give them just access to the business manager. So to do that, you're going to go to business.facebook.com. You're going to go to business settings, and then right at the top here, users, people, you're going to go to invite people. And then the address that you need to use is the address that they use to log into their personal Facebook profile. So their original Facebook profile, that is the email address you need to use. For me, it's my college email address. So it's going to be that way for a lot of people because they made their Facebook so long ago. Then after they get that, they're going to get an email. They're going to go in, they're going to accept it. And then all you need to do, which they can do from there too, because if you just give them full control, they can just go in and do this themselves. You're going to need to go to the Facebook page, and then you're going to assign people, and you're going to say, let's say it's just me here. You're going to go Derek Videll, and then you're going to give full control. Now, the Facebook page is actually the one thing that I don't like doing full control, because if you give access to content, then when they log into Facebook, they're going to see all of your notifications with their notifications. So if you just give ads and insights, that is actually fine. But then under ad account, you're going to want to give, so you're going to go to assign people. This one, you definitely want to do full control over the ad account. And then you're going to go under Instagram, and you are going to, the assigned people will be up later. You need to make sure you're logged in, but as you can see, I've already added myself. And this is one that you want to give full control over everything too. This one just doesn't have the messages. So, well, you know, that's something that you probably do want to leave out if you're giving access to an ads agency. Just to the ads and the insights is actually fine for Instagram. Let me take that back. Just do the ads and the insights, and that is plenty enough access. Now, if you have the rest of like a commerce account, which would be an e-commerce store, maybe you're linked to Shopify, this would be another thing that you can give access to. Lots of things that you can choose from there, but in a lot of cases, you do just want to do full control, just because they're going to be hitting you back up a little bit later to get the rest of that control a lot of times. Last thing you're going to do is go under either pixels or data sets. I'm going to go under pixels because this is an older account. Well, actually, let's see here. Okay, I guess it got moved to data sets already. So let's say it's the Social Bamboo pixel. Then you're going to go to assign people. And then this one you definitely give full control over. Now, after you've given them control over your either data set or pixel, your Instagram account, your ad account, and your Facebook page, they are all set to run ads. But it all starts with just giving them access here. And the cool thing is that if you give them access and then full control, they can actually set this stuff themselves. So they could give themselves control over your Instagram messages and things like that. So just know that if you don't fully trust the agency, I get that it can be kind of scary at first, but this would be the quickest way to add someone and not have the repercussion of potentially having your ads, mostly just on Facebook. It would say your company's name, and then right below it would say ad created by Derek Videll, and it just adds this extra thing there. So I'm not exactly sure of when it shows or whatnot, but I realized when I just add the access to the business manager, then that's not an issue. So that's what I got for you in this video. Leave a comment if you feel like there's a different or a better way to do it. Otherwise, subscribe if you would like to see more Facebook ads tutorials, especially the guided tutorials on how to write ads, how to set up ads, what all the buttons mean, examples of successful ad campaigns. All of that stuff is on my channel, so make sure you check that out. Hit the notification bell too, and put all, because the subscribe doesn't really count that much unless you also hit the notification bell, so I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next one.